Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you where to top up some screen wash fluid on your Volvo V40. This is a 2019 model and I'm just going to get the bonnet open, and the lever for the bonnet is on this side. So you pull that and your bonnet will pop up a little bit. This is a UK version. Then we come to the front here and you will notice your bonnet has opened a little bit, and in there's a little lever that we need to flick to one side in order to get this bonnet up like so. And it's got the that sort of hydraulic strut there, so it will keep open on its own. And the screen wash fluid goes in this tank here. And just in case you didn't know, this is where the coolant goes. The coolant is for the engine, so that's a separate video. But we're concentrating on this today. We're going into winter, so it'll be a good idea to keep it top up. So I topped mine up just now. I didn't want to do it with one hand or I'm going to spill it everywhere. But top up, buy some screen wash fluid. It's better if you buy the concentrated one and mix it yourself. There was a thing on the news recently about ready mixed screen wash fluid, and the thing was, it says big lorries are carrying a lot of ready mixed screen wash fluid and they're basically transporting water. So it's a little bit of an environmental issue if you're just transporting a lot of water in these plastic tanks. So they were saying that they should just transport concentrated fluid because we can mix this ourselves at home. So anyway, that was on the news. Yes, so I do definitely recommend putting the proper fluid in there, not just water. Water freezes and then it doesn't come out the jets to wash the windscreen when you need it. And also if you mix it with washing up liquid or something like that, it can be very foamy and again just make a mess of your windscreen. So buy the proper stuff, concentrated. I will add a link below if you want to buy the concentrated one from Amazon. And otherwise have a look. There is this is available in any petrol station that you stop for petrol. So go ahead and buy some and keep it in your boot so you always have some for when you need it. Anyway, that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and even better, become a member and support my channel. Thank you for watching.